got my 2012 Subaru Forester and the brake light went out. I'm going to show you how to change it, but the hardest thing on changing this might be finding the bulb at the store. That may be the most difficult thing you're going to run into today. Let me show you how to do it. It's real simple. There's really 5 things that you have to do. We're going to take out 2 screws, disconnect the apparatus, the light compartment, disconnect the bulbs, change the bulbs, put it back together. Simple and easy. Let me show you how to do it. Come on, let me show you. First thing we want to do is hit these 2 screws. Hey, before we get into the changing it, I just want to say we went and we got the manual and we looked up and it said brake lights get bulbs 7443. Ran to AutoZone, cost me maybe 13 bucks for a 2-pack. I got a spare and we'll be all set. These 2 screws are basically Phillips screwdrivers. Take your Phillips screwdriver. Now let me show you the toughest thing is it is a hex screw. Toughest thing might be if your Phillips head is worn out and you can't get the screwdriver to catch, you may need a ratchet set. If you're going metric, it's 10 millimeters. If you're going American standard, it's 3/8. Now that we have the 2 screws unattached, we're going to pull out the whole mechanism. The whole piece will slide out. So it just slides out and you have all 3 lights exposed. With our brake light out, it's a simple turn and out, and then all we have to do is exchange the bulb. Twist counterclockwise, pull out. Changing the bulb is easy as pulling it out, get your new one, click it in, and you hear the click. Pull it out, click. You're in, you're all set. Install it back in, turn clockwise till you hear the click. You're ready to go. Now that we have our bulbs in and working, we want to put the light mechanism back in. We've got a slide here, and the slide's going to hit on, it will slide into this clip. It'll slide right in there and hold. So we just want to line it up. Slide it in until you hear that click. You hear that click? Click. Good tight fit. Let's put the screws back. Good tighten. They're ready to go. There you go. How simple was that? We had access to our reverse light, our blinker, and our brake light. Simple and easy. Hey, I hope you learned something from this video. I hope it helped you save some money. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger, just another backyard project.